Are you looking for an anti-inflammatory morning drink to prevent fibroids from dominating your life? Well, keep watching and I will show you how you can make the ideal, rejuvenating and inflammatory stopping drink that I added to my diet for breakfast and set me up for a day free from some of the worst fibroid symptoms such as pain and low energy. Hello, it's Iyabo from fibroidwellbeing.com here, and I help working women to find time-saving and more natural ways to overcome fibroid dominance. Whatever your age, race, or whether you currently suffer from fibroids and their dominating features or not, this video is for you. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and check out the description box below for further useful links to other information that will help you overcome fibroid dominance. I found this recipe mainly by finding out what works to stop the type of inflammation that can cause fibroid symptoms to flare up. You may know of other ingredients that work as well or better. If you do, please add your suggestions below to the comments. By sticking around until the end of the video, you will also learn about a top secret ingredient that very few know about, but is also very nutritious and has excellent anti-inflammatory properties.